not. Okay, so I didn't really have a lot of time to really film like an entire intro. I'm just gonna get started with my hair. Oh, hi guys, I forgot to say hi. Hi. I really want to do 2 space buns but have like a zigzag part, like middle part. I'm like literally rushing because I have friends coming over because today is a home football game and I believe we're going against Towson. This zigzag is not looking it's better than I expected, so it's decent. Now I'm just parting like the back of my head. This is just water. You want your hair to be somewhat damp because it's better for me to like get it sleek. Yeah, I barely have anything left. So I'm just going to section off this section into 3 sections. It's not my favorite gel. I feel like it makes my hair dirty. It's very gooey, but I don't want to waste money like that. My friend just texted me that she's leaving now and this is how I look. So I'm going to use 2 hair ties. This gel is so thick. I'm using 2 more hair ties. And I'm connecting the front and the back. Now whatever I just did on this side, I'm gonna do it on this side. So I'll get back to you when I'm done. You know, I'll just film it, whatever. Ow. I did not. I forgot half of my hair. My hair tie just broke. They're not leveled. But it's okay, you know, because I'm not gonna it's okay. Whatever. It's fine. So now I'm just going to put my scarf on so that my hair can like lay down flat. But before I do that, oh god. just making it flat. And I'm just gonna basically like roll and tuck, I guess. Space buns is like a really great protective style. Because for me, like the ends of my hair to dry is because my hair is dyed. So doing the space buns, it kind of like helps to protect the ends of my hair. I'm just like rolling and tucking, really. It's not really like a special technique. I'm literally just like rolling and tucking in my hair. That's all I'm doing. Okay, hold on, let me try this again. These are how my space buns are looking. I'm just going to put a scarf down and then I'm done. I forgot to film me putting on the scarf because my friend was here and I was in a rush. So I'm just gonna show you how I like put the scarf on to like lay my hair down. So I made a triangle like this, the end part. Basically what I do, the end part, I like put it to the end, and I just lay it down. And this is what I did to lay my hair down. And I left the scarf on for about like 5 to 10 minutes. And I did the same thing to the back. Just crisscross. So you can also do this as well. And then when I go to sleep, I just do like the regular triangle. I usually just like leave it like this and go to sleep. You can also like tuck this part in so that like it doesn't like flop off. That's basically it.